Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Cardano, one of my favorite cryptos. You guys know who follow my channel, I'm a huge fan. I own Cardano, continuing to add to my levels. What I want to talk to you about in this specific video, there's a mistake, not even going to edit it out. Keep going. Is this a good time to buy Cardano right now? Period, question mark. Maybe, I don't know. If you're thinking about it, if you're thinking about getting into it like for the first time or adding to your position, we're going to talk about that. And specifically, it's not going to be just my opinion. I'm going to talk about some of the catalysts that are coming, but we're going to go over to FX Street and we're going to look at a specific piece of content that talks about, support levels, resistance levels, breakouts, things of that nature, and dissect that, and then look at, in that capacity, maybe what some price points are if you're looking to try to time your entry in or something in that nature. Let me know your thoughts. Drop in the comments below. Do you think this is a good time to buy Cardano? What do you think? Yes or no? Do you think it's going to go lower? Yes or no? We'll also talk about a price prediction. That's what we'll do. We'll also talk about a price prediction for where I think Cardano will go, and I think it's going to go up. As always, thank you for your support. Remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Here we go. As always, I need to remind you of my Patreon group. The reason I bring this up, quite frankly, is I am helping people, as well as my community is helping people, new people coming in or seasoned people that are coming in, to have a community, a support mechanism, a support level. We have a Discord group over there where we all support each other. We give a lot of crypto tips on great cryptos to buy. Also at the inner circle level, which is right here, I let you know about what my portfolio looks like, the exact holdings in my portfolio, what I'm holding, what I'm selling. Also, you get advanced notification of any hot cryptos that I see that are about to pop, things like that. They're about to make a bunch of money or any variation on that. And a lot of times these are cryptos that I don't even talk about on my YouTube channel. So if that's of interest to you, there are links below in the description. Go check those out. Would love to have you over there. You can join for 1 month if you want to and cancel at any time. It's up to you. All right. So let's talk about the overall state of the union. Is this a good time to be buying crypto, specifically Cardano? I'm going to cut to the chase. I'm going to tell you, yeah. Okay? Here's the thing, guys. This is when the whales are buying. Okay? Scared money doesn't make any money. My grandfather, I think that's a saying he had. My grandfather was the king of sayings like that. Okay? So I've asked in previous videos, hey, drop in the comments below. Let me know a saying your grandfather threw out there. I always love to read them. So if you got a great saying that your grandfather, your grandmother used to say, even your mom or your dad, right? Drop in the comments below. What's the best one? If your friends are going to jump off of a bridge, would you jump off of a bridge? I used to hate it when mom said that, but now that I have a son, I have said that to him, and I'm like, oh my God, I've become my parents. Okay, here we go. So, is this a good time to buy? Yeah, it is. But you need to pick the right level, right? It needs to be the right thing for you, all that kind of stuff. Again, invest at your own risk. It's not investment advice, all that kind of stuff. All right. But Cardano at this level, guys, at $1.23 is a pretty darn good buy. I bought Cardano. I've owned Cardano off and on for years. But I just bought in. I put quite a bit of money into Cardano recently, and I bought in at $1.34. And I'm like, yeah, man, that's a good buy. We're at $1.23. All right. I think that, here's what I think. I think that the market's going to continue to drag lower. I really do. Okay. I don't have it right here, but let me pull it up. Datamish on a 90-day, by the way, this is free to use, by the way, datamish.com. Look at this. And here's why you care, right? If you're looking at short selling positions, there's a massive amount of new short selling positions piling in on Bitcoin, which is dragging Bitcoin down. Where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market goes. You can see that. It's right here. I mean, Bitcoin has just continued to go down. Look at the Bitcoin chart. Down. Ethereum, down. Cardano, down. Look at the charts. They look almost identical, right? XRP, and charts are just following each other perfectly to a T. So thus, where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market shall follow. Now, over on Datamish, there is one of these for Cardano. This is long positions versus short selling positions. I mean, look at this. There are 5.5 million long positions, and there are just under 1 million short selling positions. That's crazy. That's nuts. Wow. And look, there were 15 million short selling positions, and look at the drop. Look at the drop. Bam! It dropped from 15 million all the way down to 960,000. And you can see, look at, and by the way, look at the red line. When the short selling position spiked, look at Cardano continued to kind of move down. See it how it's moving down, right? Okay. Then it moved down, and that's as I move the red line, see the white bubble, the thing on the little thing on the white line, it's moving. Then when the short selling position spiked off from 15 million to 900,000, look at the white line, starts to go up. See it? Starts to gradually, incrementally move up. Now, it has moved down again. Well, Austin, you just invalidated your whole argument. Yeah, kind of. Okay, I'm just going to tell you. You guys know me. I don't pull any punches. But you can see kind of the price action. I think that now what's happening again is, my opinion is, again, Cardano is moved by Bitcoin as well, right? That's what's happening. But a lot of the short selling pressure is off of Cardano, which is a good thing long term. Will it come back? Yeah, possibly. I mean, I can't, forecast that, right? But it looks like a lot of it dropped off. And so these were contracts that probably dropped off at the end of the month. You can see they came in towards the end of June. Okay, now moving back. Again, overall market conditions, right? So let's talk real quickly about this particular piece of content. Cardano reaches critical support floor reversal likely. Okay, so this particular piece of content is over on FX Street. You can go check it out. Okay, so we're currently, where are we at? We're currently at the level of $1.23. Okay, so this is talking about we've sliced through that support level. We had that $1.25 support level. We've dropped below that. All right. So before reversing, ADA is likely to dip in the demand zone ranging from $1.15 to $1.19. So they're basically saying, hey, we may drop below that. And an inability of the buyers to reclaim $1.15 after a breakdown will invalidate the bullish thesis, i.e., if we do drop below that and then we're not able to kind of bounce back up and go beyond that, okay, then we could be heading for a little bit lower lows. Don't take this in the capacity that this is bad news, okay? Again, I own Cardano at $1.34, 35, somewhere in that area. I'm not looking at this as bad news. I'm looking at this from an opportunity standpoint. I'm looking at this from an opportunity to pick up maybe additional share. I'm a stock guy, 30-year stock guy. Additional coins at some of these levels. Okay, so we are awaiting a trigger. I think the big one is smart contracts coming in, in August, September. So we're getting close to that. Okay, and I think again, I'm going to cut to the chase because I think we're getting a little long on time here. Is that we could maybe hit $1.10. Okay, if the kind of the trend lines continue. And I think again, this has nothing to do with Cardano, guys. This is overall market conditions. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up with a price prediction. Price prediction is anywhere from $5 to $10 by the end of this year and or first quarter. That's what people are saying. Smart contracts are a game changer for Cardano, and I think and everybody's talking about the fact that the fourth quarter of 2021 is going to be a major bull run for all things crypto. All right, so there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. I'll see you down the road. See you. Bye.